front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Clock app and click on it. Now select Alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Following that, you need to set up an hour and choose OK. After that, you can tap on Add Label and label your alarm however you wish to. Then tap on OK. Now click on Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. And tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. After that, you can also click on Google Assistant Routine if you wish to, and then click on this bell icon. Now pick one of those sources if you wish to, or choose Dismiss and pick one of those. Ringtones like that one. By tapping on the best one and simply going back. You can also go into the same settings, but this time tap on Add New. Then pick music from your device. By tapping on one of the sources, clicking on the song, and simply going back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it, and if you wish to turn it back on, click again. You can also delete it by clicking on this icon over here and choosing delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!